5,000 pounds. Driving in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario, just about to cross the border into Michigan, USA. Saturday, May 26th, 2012. Both windows open. Here we go. That on the load, of course, it's louder. So that's how straight piped Cat C15 550 horse, 2,050 pounds of torque sounds like. Beautiful. It's a song to my ears. And the fun is back in driving. Transmission is 13, and mostly I change gears, no clutch, just float them. Learned this during year number 2 of owning the truck.
After 300 meters, turn left, then take the second right. This sound becomes pronounced on this, what do you call it, that edge of the pavement, like a little wall, right, about 4 or 5 inches tall, and it reflects the sound. I noticed that when I'm driving on a just regular highway, you know, just with the shoulder, I don't have this. Street West, then take the third right. getting lost here.
Turn left, Queen Street West. Then, take the second left.
The GPS says one thing, signs for trucks say another. This is the international bridge between Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario and Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. I had to close the window, it was getting too loud. But on this side, I don't know, it looks kind of awful. The best part, America, is over there, straight ahead. That's US speed limit, right? So before it was 50 in Canadian. So now we are crossing this river, and it becomes US. All units become imperial. Some big ship is over there. Yeah, this is already. I think this is already US. Shut off my camera, I already can see the US Customs booth. See the flag. So I am in the United States of America. Of course, if something is wrong with my paperwork, they can always turn me around. This was Sergei Drachev reporting with the new exhaust, straight pipe from Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan.